In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in Xero and send it to your customer. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Xero accounting software account. To do this, open your browser and go to the Xero login page. Once there, click on the login button. Enter your registered email and password in the fields provided. Remember to keep your login details confidential to ensure the security of your account. After logging in, click the login button again to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice various options and tools at your disposal. Find the business tab and click on it. This will present you with a menu of operations related to your business activities. From this menu, select invoices. This step is crucial as you'll be working directly with invoices to create the receipt. Now focus on finding the paid tab within the invoices section. Click on it to view all the invoices that have already been settled. It's crucial to ensure you're working with paid invoices for generating receipts. Next, browse through the list of customers until you find the one for whom you need to send a receipt. Click on their name to open their payment details. Once you have clicked on your customer's name, locate the payment link associated with that transaction. Clicking on this link will bring up the specific payment details. Now, look for the options menu within this section. Click on options and then select send receipt from the drop-down menu that appears. This will allow us to send a digital receipt to your customer efficiently. In the send receipt window, you'll need to enter the customer's email address. Double check the email address to ensure there are no errors or typos, as sending the receipt to the wrong address could create unnecessary confusion. Finally, after verifying the email address, click send. And there you have it, your receipt is on its way to your customer, confirming that their payment has been received. It's a straightforward process, but it ensures that your customer has all the necessary documentation for their records. By following these steps, you can create and send a receipt in Xero quickly and accurately, enhancing your customer service and maintaining clear records of all transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.